This is Ernestine. As you can see at the background, I have a beautiful background over here. We are in Glen Clova. The only equipment that I brought is my Osmo Pocket. As you know, it's like my vlogging camera, but right now I'm using my phone. He's like annoyed at me because obviously when I see something that captures my eye, I just have to take a picture of it or video. And right now we don't have a lot of sun, so we're gonna hike. This is probably gonna be a sloppy vlog.
Huh?
Don't worry, it's just 10 seconds. Can you repeat what you said?
That one up there is Mayar.
Which one? That one?
Whole one. So you need to keep going.
What did you say?
It's at least 3 to 4 times bigger than Stone. You do not want to get stuck when it's dark.
Why not?
Because it's the middle of nowhere, no signal, we're gonna get stuck.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And it'll get cold very quick.
I have my thermal Uniqlo. Like I said, this is gonna be a sloppy vlog.
We still have all this to go.
Beautiful.
Yes, babe, this whole walk is a photo shoot, okay?
Uh-huh.
So we'll have to come here next time, very early.
So guys, literally everywhere I turn is just photo shoot, video location worthy. And I think the lesson learned here is when I'm going hiking, I have to go early so that I have
Extra early.
so that I have time to stop, because it's 1 o'clock right now and
Sunset is 4:30.
sunset's 4:30. Last time we hiked, it was 2 hours. No, at the top, the first one.
No, it was like 2.5, 3 hours.
Right, at the top, it took you 3 hours to reach the top. So 2.5 hours, and he's a lot fitter than me compared to hiking. So I'm not allowed to do a lot of stops. He forbids me because the sunset's at 4:30. So unfortunately this video is not gonna be the quality
So
I
cute.
want it to be.
So cute.
That rock, so I can make like a you literally just come in and it's like it feels like this is the stage and you can put people just together. Let's see if Dr. Keith can climb the rock. I was thinking like you're facing the view, you're facing the waterfall, even your body. Let me see. Where? Alright, let's see the shape of this rock. Yeah.
Let's go that way. You have lots more stuff to see.
Like, just sit. Don't sit there. Like, yeah. Then twist. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Push yourself higher.
No, there's just people there. That was a sick. I need you to see it. How do I show you?
So what I want to do is fly my drone here. And this guy is just like having fun with my drone. And he's so confident. I mean, I can do it, but I'll probably be more careful.
Yeah, this is the line.
But do you know where I'm
know what you mean,
framing?
yeah.
The mountain.
I know. I got it. I know what you mean.
Alright. I'll pass you that. I'll set up everything. Since you're pilot. Or just
Want me to keep recording, Dina? This is the shot. So through there and up and scoop.
it's telling me to push out of the way. Just do a simple shot. Did you press record? I didn't even press record. So just press record here, over here, over here. Yeah, there you go. Okay, you have to do it quick because it's low battery. Keep going high. There. Okay, just bring it back a bit now. Because it's low bat. Okay, now just... Yeah, just come back now. Oh, watch out for the branches. Right, this guy is gonna be an FPV pilot.